The first step is attack on the carbonyl carbon of aldehyde. So this is your aldehyde, NH2, CH2, CH, O ethyl, O ethyl. So this group NH2 attacks over here, and we will be having, in the presence of acid, we will be having here OH, and also NH, and carbonyl oxygen is O negative, it will take up proton, so it will become OH. And after this, here is CH2, CH, O ethyl, O ethyl. So this intermediate is formed. Then we remove water molecule. So basically what happens, this comes here, this goes, water is given out, and now we will be having this thing. So here is double bond. Okay, so this ether bond remain as such. And here we have OH. And in the next step, we will hydrolyze it, hydrolysis. So when we do the hydrolysis, what will happen? This water molecule, so O ethyl goes and your water attacks over here. Okay, so ultimately we will be having aldehyde group here, and double bond CH2 CH, O ethyl, OH. Okay, and here we will be having OH. Again, there is removal of one molecule of ethanol. So this carbonyl comes here with the this is from OH, double bond, and here we will be having C double bond, sorry, CH2. So this is from CH2, C double bond O, and here we have H. Okay, so this is formed. So then this aldehyde again goes protonation. So it is protonated, and this bond attacks over here. Okay, so now we will be having this thing. We have double bond. So here you can write this as OH. Okay, and here we have H. H double bond निकला. Here we have positive charge, and here we have double bond. So what will happen now? So one of H from here immediately comes here, and this is converted into this thing. So this is formed, and here we have OH, and here we have nitrogen with double bond. So this is formed. So ultimately, from here also we remove water molecule. In the presence of acid, this goes. So we will be having quinoline nucleus here. Hydroxyquinoline is formed. Okay, so this is formed. Fine. So this is the mechanism for step 1 of synthesis of quinine from hydroxybenzaldehyde. Okay. So when once this quinoline is formed, okay. Then after this, we will condense it with the formaldehyde and amine C5H11N, and this is called Mannich reaction. So in this case, what will happen? The product is this. So this form. Here comes the CH2 of formaldehyde, and this is amine. Okay, so this product is formed. The mechanism for this second step, let me write that. This is step number 2. This is step 1. Step 1 the mechanism we already discussed कर चुके हैं. Now I will discuss the mechanism of step 2. So in this case, what will happen? First, your formaldehyde condensed with the amine. So this is for aldehyde, formaldehyde, and we are using this amine, pyrrolidine. Oh, sorry, piperidine. So this will give this thing. CH2 imine is formed. N positive. Okay. So this amine act as electrophile. And this electrophile then attack on quinoline nucleus. Let me write that. So this is your quinoline, which is going to so N double bond. So here we have this thing, OH. So this double bond then this double bond attacks over here, and there is shift of this double bond. So the product is this. So here we have N double bond OH. Okay. So here we have CH2. ਹੁਣ ਇਹੀ double bond क्यों shift ਕੀਤਾ? The reason is this oxygen has lone pair and it will stabilize here positive charge. I am going to skip one step. Do that yourself. We will have here double bond. Okay. So this is formed like this. So this is the product which we are getting. Okay. So this is the mechanism for second step. Now, after this, when we treat this condensed product with the sodium methoxide, this results in formation of sodium methoxide is base. It's not ethoxide, it's methoxide, methyl. Okay. So with this base we treat and then we heat the reaction mixture at 220 degrees Celsius. The product is this. So this is formed. Deamination take place and we will get here methyl group. Okay. So this is the third step of the reaction. Then after this, we carry out the reduction with hydrogen platinum. So now we will add here H2 in the presence of catalyst platinum. And then this step is followed by the treatment with acetic anhydride, CH3CO twice O. So here we get this product. So your this ring remain as such as it is, means methyl is here and OH is here. Now the changes reduction occur in this quinoline ring. So this is converted into piperidine and NH which is formed is acetylated with acetic anhydride. So this product is formed. Then again we will do the reduction. Now we change the conditions and now we use, instead of platinum, we use Raney nickel as a catalyst and then we oxidize the product form. So write down that what we are doing. First we will reduce in the presence of Raney nickel. Then we oxidize the product form with the chromium trioxide. Okay. So in this case, we will now have this product. Now the second ring is also reduced. So it is converted into this thing. And your OH is, first there is reduction of ring and second we are carrying out the oxidation. Now the OH is converted into keto, oxidized into keto form. So this product is formed. Okay. So as this product is optically active, we will purify it and separate the products. So this is racemic mixture. Then we carry out the separation. Okay. So after separating, we are interested in the in this form. So double bond O. Okay. And here we have methyl CH3 and COCH3. Okay. And here the H are like this. This H, this conformation. Okay. So after this, We treat this with the nitric oxide and with base sodium ethoxide. So this results in formation of oxime at the keto form, and also there is cleavage. So the product form is this COCH3. So this double bond O in the presence of NO is converted into oxime, and there is cleavage of bond. Uh, so please write down the product, then I will explain the mechanism of this reaction. Sodium ethoxide jada hai, it will first convert this reactant into the enolate form. Bond is not free from here, it is free from here. So this is converted into this oxime NOH. So this oxime is formed CH3, and here we have CH2, CH2, COO ethyl. So now I will explain the mechanism of this reaction, how this conversion takes place. So first this reactant is converted into enolate form by sodium ethoxide. So it will convert this into NCOCH3. Okay. So here we have double bond CH3. So this enolate is formed. Okay. So this enolate then attacks on this nitric oxide. Let me write that. So this double bond attacks over here, this goes. And right, this is okay. So this results in formation of so here we will be having NCOCH3, and here with methyl and double bond O is there. If not, let me clean this. And O negative, O ethyl. So this is there, CH3 is there, and here we have double bond O. Okay, so this is formed. In the next step, ethoxide is removed, and we will be having now so this goes into this thing. So here at this position, we will be having N double bond O. So this is formed. ठीक है बॉन्ड में कर्ली जा बनाता है स्ट्रेट बना लेना so after this then again sodium ethoxide attacks NaO ethyl. Now it attacks on this carbonyl, so this goes, and now we will be having this thing. and COCH3. And here we have methyl and N oxide and double bond O. Okay. So when this N double bond O when this attacks, so there is formation of let me write it here. Structure is large. So please look at this carefully. So here we write N double bond O. So your ethoxide bond ethoxide ion is this. So this attacks over here and this bond is cleaved now. Let me write that. Oh, okay. So here we have CH3, H, NO. So this bond is cleaved and it shifts over here and this goes here. So this is the idea. So when this bond is cleaved, now you will be having this NCOCH3. So this, here we have carbon to which one methyl is attached, and here we have double bond N and O negative. Okay, so this is form 1, 2, 3, 4. Its valency is over, and on the second side we have CH2, CH2. Here we have C double bond O and O ethyl. So this will then take a proton and convert it into oxime. So this is the mechanism for the formation of oxime. Okay, so यही बनवाया सी मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ CH2CH2 COO ethyl. So in this way this product is formed. Okay, clear है बेटा? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी
So let us move to the next step. Next step is again the reduction, and reduction takes place of reduction of oxime. So we want to reduce this oxime double bond and convert it into amine. For that we will use platinum catalyst and hydrogen gas. So this condition is used for the conversion of this oxime into amine. So now we will be having this product NCOCH3. Okay, so this is converted into CH2NH2. Okay, CH2NH2. Yes, and here is one methyl also, not CH2. एक methyl miss कर गई मैं. It is H, and here we have CH3. Okay, so then we have CH2, CH2, COO ethyl. So this is formed. Okay. So once we get this molecule, we can rewrite this molecule as This molecule can also be written as like this. We can write like this. Both forms लिख सकते हैं 6-member ring ਨੂੰ. Okay, so this is the boat form. Here we have CH3 and NH2. Okay, and here we have CH2, CH2, COO ethyl. Okay, and N is acetylated, so we can write this as NCOCH3. एक मिनट मैंने सही तरह थोड़ा ड्रॉ कर दी. कैनवा स्क्रीन पे नहीं चल रहा है. Okay, so this can be written like this. So after this, we will add methyl iodide and potassium carbonate. Then we add potassium hydroxide and heat the reactant mixture. So this methyl iodide will methylate this NH. ਤੁਸੀਂ reductive methylation ਪੜ੍ਹੀ ਹੋਣੀ, Hofmann reductive methylation reaction. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ notes ਦਿੱਤੇ ਸੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੀਗਾ ਇਹ. So we will convert this into, let me write this as H. किस तरह बनेगा? So this is H. Now we will be having this N. So we can write this as there is reductive amination. Okay. So this is converted into double bond. फिर आप add कर रहे हैं, then we are adding potassium hydroxide to convert this ester into acid. Okay. Second condition ਜਿਹੜੀ we are using, that is to convert this ester into carboxylic acid. We are carrying out the hydrolysis. So this product is formed. Moreover, this acetyl group is also removed upon hydrolysis, base hydrolysis. So this is formed. Okay. Then after this, again, we protected the N using benzoyl chloride. So we now added benzoyl chloride to protect this NH. And also, first step is protection, and second step is we have converted this acid again into ester using ethanol HCl. Okay. So once we get this product, let me clean this. So this is formed. So here we have now benzoyl group, and this ester is again acid is converted to ester. Now you can ask one question, why we added potassium hydroxide? Potassium hydroxide ਸਾਨੂੰ ਐਡ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਤਾਂ ਪਈ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਆਇਓਡਾਈਡ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਚੋਂ ਸਾਰਾ ਰਿਮੂਵ ਕਰ ਸਕੀਏ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? So as to convert this, deaminate this molecule and convert this bond, this into double bond. So while doing this, our ester is hydrolyzed, our N is deacetylated. So again, we protected the N and we converted the acid into ester. Okay. So after this, then we treated this product with the molecule of this quinoline. So this is quinoline and COO ethyl and O-methyl. So this is available, synthetically available. So we added this molecule to this in the presence of sodium ethoxide. So this results in formation of
मैम नोट नहीं से कितना
बेटा वो मेरे को भी हम डिलीट हो गया प्रेस रेजर करना से डिलीट प्रेस हो गया मैं दोबारा लिख देनी है नहीं तो so what now we are doing we are adding this quinoline COO ethyl double bond OCH3 so this is added CH2 CH2 COO ethyl then we are doing this thing and COO ethyl sorry CO phenyl benzoyl बनाया सी ना CO phenyl okay so this here we have vinyl group तो यही बनाया सी so ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਐਡ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ in the presence of sodium ethoxide so what will happen this sodium ethoxide will generate anion over here will take a proton acidic proton from here so this anion then attacks on this ester group to form this thing C double bond O here we can write this as CO phenyl and here we have COO ethyl. This is N. Double bond, OCH3. Okay, so this is formed. Here we have CH double bond CH2. Okay, so then we hydrolyze it. We carry out hydrolysis. First step is hydrolysis. Acid hydrolysis करता. Then we heated. ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ? Then we heated. So hydrolysis करेंगे. This ester is converted into COH. When we heat this system, carbon dioxide is removed. So that means now here we will be having H. Is it clear? Okay. I think it is clear. And the second thing which happens to this molecule is that this is also hydrolyzed and it is converted into NH. Okay. So since this molecule now is optically active, let me write the structure. So we will be having this thing, quinoline. I forget to put double bond here. Okay, so this is formed. So when this is formed, we will be having this thing, double bond, OCH3. C double bond O. Now here we have, instead of ester, we have H, and rest of the molecule remains as such. So this is formed double bond N. Here we have H again, and here we have vinyl group. Okay, so this is formed. Now this reaction results in generation of chiral center over here. No. It's a core channel. Let me clean this. So here we have CH2, sorry. Okay. So chiral center is generated over this position. Here we have different groups. Am I right? This is chiral center. This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
also chiral
Yes.
center. Okay. And there is one chiral center on N. Clear? So this molecule is actually optically active. Now we will resolve it. We have here racemic mixture plus minus. We carry out the resolution and we take plus isomer for the further transformation. So we take plus isomer for the further transformation. Now what we need now to get the quinine as a product, we have to reduce this carbonyl carbon. We have to reduce this carbonyl carbon and we have to join this. Okay, so these two things are required. For doing this, what we add, now we take on the plus isomer. Let me create some space. Okay. So we will take now plus isomer. And we will now add first NaOBr and then sodium hydroxide to this. So this will result in linking of this position with this one. Means cyclization takes place and now we will be having this product. Here we have N, C double bond O. So C double bond O, NH. So here we have now रिंग थोड़ा सही बनाना मेरा ना पेन लिफ्ट नहीं हो रहा. So here we have CH double bond CH2. So this ring is formed. Now we have here OCH3. Okay. So this is formed. Okay. So once we get this is called quinone. So this is again, because this results in creation of here generation of one more chiral center. Please look at this molecule carefully. So this results in generation. So this is optically active. So we will have this plus quinone. This is formed. Okay. So then what we do, we will carry out the reduction with the aluminium in ethanol to get quinine. So we add aluminium in ethanol. and also base sodium ethoxide to get racemic mixture of quinine. So this racemic mixture is then resolved, and we then separated the medicinally important compound, that is minus quinine, and we carry out the resolution. Okay, so this is the synthesis of quinine, and this synthesis is given by Woodward. This synthesis is given by Woodward in 1944. Okay, so this is all about the quinine. Now I will take your assignment doubts if you have any. Please note down this, and ਜੇ ਕਿਤੇ problem ਹੈ, you can ask me in this synthesis part. If you have any problem, please let me know. Any step which is not clear to you, you can ask me. I will explain. ਹਾਂਜੀ, ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਡਾਊਟ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਪੁੱਛ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ।
ਮੈਮ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ।
ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ, ਕਾਹਦੇ ਚ ਹੈ?
ਮੈਮ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਅਸਾਈਨਮੈਂਟ ਦਾ, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੀਗਾ ਐਕਚੁਅਲੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਰਚ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੀ ਤਾਂ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਐਲ ਆਈਸੋਮਰ ਹੀ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਬਾਅਦ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਦੋਂ ਫਿਰ ਠੀਕ ਆ ਉਹ ਐਂਟੀਮੇਰੀਅਲ ਚ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਸੀ। ਫਿਰ ਅਗਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਥੋੜੀ ਸਰਚ ਕਰਦੇ ਮਤਲਬ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਤਾਂ ਕਿਊਨੀਡੀਨ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਆਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਆਈਸੋਮਰ ਹੈਗਾ ਵਾ, ਠੀਕ ਆ। ਤੇ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਆਪਾਂ ਐਲ ਵਾਲਾ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੇ ਸੀ
ਸਟਾਪ। ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ, ਸਿਰਫ ਦੀ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਇਜ਼ ਯੂ ਹੈਵ ਟੂ ਆਇਡੈਂਟੀਫਾਈ ਦੀ isomer which is used in the malaria therapy, and that is minus quinine. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਦੱਸ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਐਲਕਲੋਇਡਸ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਐਲ ਫਾਰਮ ਯੂਜ਼ਫੁਲ ਨੇ, ਨਾਟ ਡੀ ਫਾਰਮ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਮੈਡੀਸਿਨਲੀ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਫਾਰਮਸ ਕਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ? ਐਲ, ਐਂਡ ਦੈਟ ਇਜ਼ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਫਾਰਮ। तो ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਿਊਨਿਡੀਨ ਚ ਡਿਟੇਲ ਚ ਜਾਣ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ। ਮੈਂ ਕਿਊਨੀਨ ਦਾ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਜਾਏ ਉਨਾ ਹੀ ਆਨਸਰ ਕਰਿਆ ਕਰੋ, and also you have to draw the structure of that medicinally important quinine. So ਉਹਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਹੈ that I will post you if you didn't get from anywhere. ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਲਾਸਰੂਮ ਚੋਂ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਪੋਸਟ ਕਰ ਦਾਂਗੀ। ਜੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਜੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲੀ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਚੈੱਕ ਆਊਟ ਕਰ ਲੈਣਾ। ਓਕੇ
ਮੈਮ ਬਸ ਸਟੀਰੀਓਕੈਮਿਸਟਰੀ 'ਚ ਫਰਕ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਇੱਕ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਐਟਮ ਦੇ ਅਰਾਊਂਡ, ਬਾਕੀ ਤੇ ਸਾਰਾ ਸੇਮ
OH ਜਿਹੜਾ
ਹਾਂਜੀ OH
ਉੱਥੇ
ਆਰ
OH ਦੀ
ਬਣਦਾ ਉੱਥੇ
ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ, OH ਦੀ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ
ਅਬਵ
ਚੇਂਜ।
ਪਲੇਨ ਅਬਵ ਦੀ ਪਲੇਨ ਜਾਏਗੀ,
OH above ਦੀ ਪਲੇਨ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਕਿਊਨੀਡੀਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਿਲੋ ਦੀ ਪਲੇਨ ਹੈ।
ਬਿਲੋ ਦਾ ਪਲੇਨ ਬਸ।
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਹੋਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਡਾਊਟ? ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਾਇਰਲ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਕਿਊਨੀਨ ਚ ਉਹ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ 5 ਟੋਟਲ ਇਨਕਲੂਡਿੰਗ ਨਾਈਟ੍ਰੋਜਨ। 4 ਕਾਰਬਨ ਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਤੇ ਪੰਜਵਾਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ that is on ਨਾਈਟ੍ਰੋਜਨ।
ਬਟ ਮੈਮ ਆਪਾਂ 4 ਨਹੀਂ ਕੰਸੀਡਰ ਕਰਦੇ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਅਗਰ ਉਹ ਬੌਂਡ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਕਰੋ ਤੇ ਨਾਈਟ੍ਰੋਜਨ ਆਪਣੀ ਕਾਇਰਲਿਟੀ ਲੂਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਜਾਂਦਾ।
ਮੈਂ ਸਿਰਫ ਮੇਰਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਕਿਊਨੀਨ ਚ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਨਾਈਟ੍ਰੋਜਨ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਕਾਇਰਲ ਸੈਂਟਰ ਆ, ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਨਾ ਸੋਚਿਆ ਕਰੋ out of the way jaake. So let me show you that. So this is the structure. So here we have this is one chiral center, second, third, fourth and fifth. Total 5. 4 carbon ਤੇ ਹੈ, 1 nitrogen ਤੇ ਹੈ। Oh, 1 नाइट्रोजन वाला वक्र बनाना है। लेट मी क्लियर दैट। एक सेकंड ਇਹ ਨਾਈਟ੍ਰੋਜਨ ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਦੇਖੋ ਇਹ ਇੱਕ ਲੋਨ ਪੇਅਰ ਹੈ ਓਕੇ 1 2 3 ਤਿੰਨੋਂ ਦੇ ਤਿੰਨੋਂ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਦੇ ਆਰ ਡਿਫਰੈਂਟ है ना so this is also chiral center because इधरों जे ਆਪਾਂ इधर ਨੂੰ मूव ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਚਾਰੋਂ ਦੇ ਚਾਰੋਂ groups different ਨੇ so this is second one this is third one okay now we will come here so here if you look so this is also different because here we are getting OH and in this side we are getting vinyl so this is the another chiral center and पहले मैं गलत मार्क करता सी एक मिनट ओके सो जड़ा लास्ट वाला पंजवां वाला है दैट इज दिस इस केस भी फोर डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स ने हुन तुहाडा ए वाला जड़ा है दैट इज नॉट द chiral center because here we have 2H ओके सो ये chiral center नहीं है दोनों मैं गलती नाल मार्क करते सी so ultimately ਜਿਹੜੇ chiral center ਨੇ ਉਹ ਮੈਂ highlight ਕਰ ਦਿੰਨੀ ਆ this is 1 this is 2 3 4 and these four are on carbons and ਜਿਹੜਾ fifth one ਹੈ that is on nitrogen so we can mark this as this ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਲੋਨ ਪੇਅਰ ਕਰਕੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਇਨਵਰਜਨ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਕਨਫੀਗਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੀ ਪਰ ਇਸ ਕੇਸ ਚ ਇਨਵਰਜਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੋਸੀਬਲ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਸਟੈਰਿਕ ਹਿੰਡਰੈਂਸ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੈ steric hindrance ज़्यादा होने करके this nitrogen will not invert the configuration it they heavy groups लगे ने so it can remain in one configuration so this is also chiral okay so समझ लग गया किन्ने chiral center ने क्यों
Yes, ma'am.
clear है
Yes, ma'am.
किसी ने कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो पूछ सकते हो so this is the structure which is optically active and also which is medicinally important. Okay. So ये configuration जड़ी हुंदी है, this is medicinally important. Clear है?
Yes, ma'am.
So I will stop here. And there is one announcement for you people.